This North Scottsdale home just underwent a complete renovation from top to bottom, and the transformation is unbelievable. Welcome to 22447 North 77th Place. This home is located in the Sonoran Hills neighborhood of North Scottsdale in the zip 85255. This beautifully remodeled 3,334 square foot, two-story home offers modern luxury and effortless Arizona living. And today, I'm taking you through every inch of it. So if you've been searching for a fully remodeled move-in ready home in North Scottsdale, stick around because this one might just be the one. The moment you step through the door, you are greeted by soaring ceilings, wide plank wood flooring that flows seamlessly throughout the main living areas. This open concept floor plan was designed for the way people actually live today, entertaining, gathering, and enjoying every bit of natural light pouring in through the windows. Every finish here was carefully chosen, from the designer lighting to the clean architectural details that give this home a modern edge. And this is the heart of the home. The chef's kitchen was built for someone who loves to cook, loves to host, and loves a beautiful space to do both in. Custom cabinetry, an oversized island, perfect for gathering around, premium appliances, and views that stretch out beyond the windows. Whether it's a quiet morning for coffee or a full dinner party, this kitchen was made for it. Let's head upstairs where this home truly feels like a private retreat. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bedrooms along with a pass-through bathroom featuring double vanities, giving everyone their own space without sacrificing convenience. And just off this level, there's a bonus balcony, a little hidden gem that's so perfect for so many moments. Picture this, it's early evening, the Arizona sky is turning shades of orange and pink as the sun sets to the west, and you're sitting out here with a glass of wine just taking it all in. Or maybe it's a Saturday afternoon and you're out here keeping an eye on the kids as they play around in the driveway, close enough to call out, far enough to have a moment of peace. It's not just a balcony, it's a front row seat to everyday life and unforgettable Arizona sunsets. Then tucked away for the ultimate privacy is the primary suite. This spa-inspired retreat includes a freestanding soaking tub, an oversized walk-in shower, and a custom walk-in closet that's honestly bigger than most guest rooms I've seen. But here's my favorite part. Step through the slider off the primary suite and you're greeted by your own private balcony overlooking the McDowell Mountains and the sparkling pool below. There are no neighbors behind you, just a natural wash that backs the property, giving you that rare extra layer of privacy you don't often find in North Scottsdale. Imagine starting your morning out here with a cup of coffee, watching the sunrise over the mountains, and no one in sight, just you, the desert, the view. This is the kind of space that makes you fall in love with Arizona living all over again. Now let's step outside because this is where North Scottsdale living really comes to life. The private pool is the centerpiece, surrounded by an extended cover patio that's perfect for shading those hot Arizona afternoons, and the built-in barbecue that makes this the ultimate space for entertaining, whether it's a casual family dinner or a weekend gathering with friends. And once again, those breathtaking McDowell Mountain views that stretch out right from your own backyard with no neighbors behind you, just open desert and mountain views as far as the eye can see. This home was designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living and the kind of lifestyle that makes every evening feel like a vacation.